Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your username in Monopoly Go. So just simply head into your Monopoly Go application, and then as you can see here in the main screen of the game, there's several things to choose from, like Go button, wins, build album, and friends. But focus first in the menu button that is found on the top right corner of the screen. Just simply click on this menu button. On the top right, you will see your username. And I want to remind you that your username will depend on the connected Google account or Facebook account that you are using inside the application. Also, I want to introduce you how to find your user ID, which can be found in the settings button below. Just simply click the settings button, and that's it. As you can see here, it is my user ID. And that is how to find your username in Monopoly Go. And thank you for listening.